Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the best way to clean grout. And it is actually easier than you think. Now, a lot of people want to have clean grout because at the end of the day, if you have clean tiles and you have dirty grout, it's still going to look really bad. But your grout is going to make the difference between it looking great and it looking absolutely horrible. And that's simply because there's so much of a contrast between the tiles and the grout. No matter what colors you use, sorry, that's my daughter, just she loves it when I make videos. It really makes her comment and laugh and stuff. So that's why I do it in front of her, because she loves it. So as you can see right here, no matter what colors you use, even if the colors are similar, there's a huge contrast, okay? I think she might be co-starring on the channel when she's older because she loves it so much. But we'll see how that goes. She's got to get much older. All right, anyways. All that you need is a toothbrush, just like this, an old toothbrush. Don't use one that you're going to use on your teeth, okay? Old toothbrush. And then a mixture in a spray bottle. And this mixture is 50% white vinegar, 50% water. So 50-50 mix of white vinegar and water. You can see there's like barely any left at all because like I use this stuff all the time. This is pretty much the best cleaning solution that you can create for anything. And I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'll tell you why it's much better than the other methods. So I'm going to spray some on here. Okay, let's just get a little bit on there. Just right there. So just spray a little bit. You don't even need a lot. Take your old toothbrush and just literally scrub the grout. Like, check this out. I don't know if you can tell. I mean, the grout wasn't really dirty to begin with. It wasn't really dirty. But this stuff is just working wonders, okay? Really, really doing a great job at cleaning up that grout. And it works really quickly, too. And as an added effect, if you want, you can let it sit for a quick minute and then scrub it. One thing I will say is that be careful. If you have any cuts on your fingers, you want to wear gloves because it's going to burn them. Like I have a little crack on my knuckle right here because of the weather. And it like just really stung immediately upon spraying it. But what you just have to do is just give it a quick little scrub with the toothbrush, okay? And I'm telling you, like if your grout is like super nasty, it's still gonna scrub it to be so clean. And like I said, this grout wasn't extremely dirty to begin with. I never let my grout get really dirty, but all you gotta do is go like this, like quickly, okay? Now I'm gonna tell you why it's better than the other options. So what I've used in the past was like a bleach spray, and bleach sprays work great at actually getting some mold and mildew out of the grout. But the thing is, like, you don't want to be breathing that in, okay? Or you don't want to be breathing a lot of it in for the most part. Like, you want to really be safe with your ventilation and wearing a mask and a respirator and stuff. But in addition to that, it can damage your clothes, and it's really not the best option. But whereas this is going to be a white vinegar mixture with water, which is like something that like is so easy to use, and it's just much safer than bleach. So that's why I've chosen to use this method. And also, like when you spray bleach, you spray it and you walk away and you come back, and that's a good method. It works, and I still use it sometimes when the grout is really bad. But this requires a little bit more elbow grease, but it's just a lot better. I mean, there's nothing else to say. Like literally spray it, scrub it, and you're good to go. Like I can do this whole backsplash in my entire kitchen in like, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. And it only has to be done, I don't know, like maybe once every couple months for it to really look really good. And the white vinegar helps it last a long time because it's a deep cleaner. That's why it helps it last longer than any other option that I've chosen. And I've chosen I've tried lots of different solutions. Like I've tried ones that had like lots of chemicals in them, and like this one works the best while having the least amount of worry when you're using it. And that's why I've chosen to use it. Like literally just spray it on, couple sprays, use an old toothbrush, scrub it off. You can use this for backsplash tiles. You can use this for the grout on floor tiles. You can use this for the grout on shower tiles, penny tiles, shower wall tiles, subway tiles. Like literally, grout is grout, and any kind of grout that you're scrubbing is going to react the same way to this. But that's basically it. That is a very simple, easy way, the best way to clean grout. And like I said, it's easier than you think. And that's basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.